landingsplat.
O, fantasties Pieter. Yes, ek het my tye ordentlik opgedonder. So dankie. Dankie dat julle reg was vir ons, hoor.
Nee, is reg. Gaan jy ons laat weet op Twitter en so aan langs die pad.
Ek Twitter so gereeld as moontlik almal op hoogte hou. Ek het my chargertjie ingepak, ek neem foto's. Ek stop so elke uur en gee hierdie vir 'n boer oor die draad. Maar saam soms teen die einde van hierdie dag sal nie Suid-Afrika nie, sal die wêreld weet dat ons 'n probleem hier. Hulle kan nie meer praat nie want daar's 3000 van hulle in jou plaaslike begrafplaas, maar dit sal ons gaan dit stop. Niemand gaan trek nie, niemand gaan immigreer nie. Ons bly hier en ons maak dit reg.
Are you gonna miss the concert?
Oh no! Look, the concert at this stage of the game is a cherry on the top, but you don't need cherries to finish off a cake. What's important to me here is what's ons doen. We need to protect farm workers. We need to protect farmers. Full stop. That's precisely what it is that we're doing here. And so first protocol for me is for us to get down to Cape Town to raise as much money as we possibly can. And remember, awareness. That's the big thing. The country needs to make a stand about the farm murders, and that's what we're trying to achieve here. So if we get to the concert, great. If not, deal with it. Paraphernalia.
I'll do the charger later.
Yeah.
Is jy lekker? Ek hoop nie jy het aan jou dop gehad.
Sê dit? Nee. Whoa. Dis nie.
Do me a favor, just stand by the doors. The doors open if I get one for you.
Ons gaan klaar doen.
Lemon!
Thank you, gents. Good luck.
Later, guys.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, man.